School of HONK is 1 year old, and it's been an amazing year.
Maybe you've seen us around Somerville. We've played at Summer Streets, Ignite, Porch Fest, Fluff Fest, and of course HONK Fest.
We've played in Davis Square, Union Square, Central Square, Harvard Square, and dozens of back streets and alleys in between.
We play every single Sunday, year-round.
We're a community street band that comes together to make music, spread joy, and most importantly, to have fun.
Anyone can join School of HONK, whether you know how to play an instrument or not. Just show up.
We'll put an instrument in your hands and start teaching you how to play it.
And then, it's simple. We practice and we parade every single Sunday.
And we're growing. From humble beginnings just a year ago, we recently set a new record of 70 members at a single practice.
But we need your help. In order to support this big group, we need to recruit more musician mentors. These mentors help with everything from running our after-school programs, maintaining our instruments, hosting small group sectionals, helping first-timers get up to speed, and making sure we all keep up with the beat.
We'd like to compensate them for their vast experience and tireless commitment to make School of HONK so successful.
And as much as we love to roam, we are also in search of a permanent home. We've been lucky to have the generous support of First Church Somerville, Sprout, Thunder Road Music Club, and a few others, but we're quickly outgrowing these venues.
We need financial support to find a place we can call our own, all year long. One that can accommodate our size and volume for the long haul.
But most importantly, we need you. As big as we've become, we don't believe in too big.
School of HONK is an incredible community of people, young and old, from every walk of life, most of whom wouldn't normally cross paths.
Not just bandmates, we've become friends, and we're eager to make new friends like you by sharing our fun together. So join us.
Dust off that old trombone sitting in your closet, or come and learn an instrument for the first time.
We have big plans for 2016, but just like every Sunday, we don't know exactly what lies ahead.
What if 100 people show up to play one coming Sunday? What will it look and feel like? And how will we turn corners with a parade a block long?
We want you to be there when it happens, so help us out.
Donate to our campaign, check out our videos, pictures, and other materials on the website.
And better yet, make your way to Somerville any Sunday afternoon from 3 to 5 to dance, play, and parade with us.